Welcome to Math with the Real Floater. This is part 2 of a 2-part video on algebra.
If we have a positive number or letter times a positive, this is equals to a positive. A positive times a negative is equals to a negative. A negative times a positive is equals to a negative. Look at this now carefully. A negative quantity times a negative quantity is equals to a positive quantity. Please remember this. And all of these rules right here, the same thing governs division. 2x times y is the same thing as 2x y. Okay? And this, of course, we know is the same thing as 2 times x times y. If we have 3x times 5y, which is equals to, we group these together, the numbers 3 times 5 times x times y, which is equals to 3 5s is 15. X, y. We have 2x times a negative 4y. This is equals to 2 times a negative 4 times x times y, which is equals to 2 times 4, we get a negative 8 x y.
If you like what you are seeing, do the right thing, subscribe, like and share the content. Make sure you turn on the notification bell. Come on, let's get back to the topic.
2x squared times 6z squared times 4x cubed. Nothing different at all, just group our like terms together. So let's take out our numbers, which is equals to 2 times 6 times 4 times x squared times x cubed times z squared. Let me see if I have everything here. 2 times 6 times 4 times x squared times x cubed times z squared. Alright, so we have 2 times 4 times 6 is equals to 2 4 is 8, 8 6 is 48. Times, we have x squared times x cubed. Remember from our law of indices, check our playlist on indices and you'll understand this more. We multiply in like terms, so we just add the powers. This is x raised to the power of 5 z squared. Okay? So if we wanted to find out the value of this expression, we could just substitute 3 where x is and 5 where z is. 6 bracket x plus y. Same thing as saying 6 times x plus y. And what we do from here, when we remove this bracket, we multiply all the contents of the bracket by this number 6. So this is equals to 6 times x plus 6 times y, which is the same thing as 6x plus 6y. 6x into x plus 2y, which is equals to 6x times x plus 6x times 2y, which is equals to x times x is same thing as x raised to the power 2 plus 6 times 2 is 12 x y. Let's say we have 2x squared into x plus 2y, okay, equals to 2x squared times x plus 2x squared times 2y, which is the same thing as x squared times x is the same thing as x raised to the power 3. We just add the powers. Plus 2 2's is equals to 4 x squared y. Yeah, I know you have this, folks. This is not difficult at all. Not difficult.